Hello, I'm Sophie from Owaka and I'm glad to be here to present our live tracking platform for the public. So you are here in order to follow one event or in order to see the live tracking platform for the event you are participating in. So you will have access to this platform. You will see on the left hand side the menu of our live tracking platform. You go on the first tab, which is the home tab, and you will see the event logo, some links to their social media or website, and also all the sponsors of the event. In the next tab, which is the staged tab, you will see all the different waypoints and routes the organizers wanted to share with the public. You are able to click on one checkpoint and you will see the map centered into this checkpoint. Then you will be able to access to all the participant lists. So here you can see the different categories in green, the bicycles and the 4x4 in blue. When you click on the map, you can see also all the details about the participants you are clicking in, and you will see here the date of the last position, here the coordinate, the GPS coordinates of his position, the elevation, the distance here already did from the start of the stage, and also the speed of his actual speed during the event. Then if you want to look for one specific participant, you can just go and type or the race number or the name. You click on him and you have still all the information. You can add him into favorite and you will see him on the map in yellow. You are also able to see them on the favorite tab. You go on the favorite tab and you will see all the participants you have added into your favorite. If you come back tomorrow, for example, on the live tracking platform to follow the next stage, you will see still your favorite into the favorite tab. Then if you want to share only the link to this participant, you can click on the list on his icon and you have the profile of this participant with the timeline of the details of all the points during the track of today. Then you can see sometimes on the map some people in grey like this. It means that this participant is aborted. He had to stop the event because of medical or technical issue. So this is why you will see them like this. Then you have also here the elevation chart, so feel free to go and check the elevation chart. You can zoom in order to see better where are all the participants in live. Then you have some tools here on the right hand side. Feel free to use by yourself all the different tools. You can also, for example, change the map layer in order to have the satellite map layer. And one very important tool is the position tool, so you can just click here, accept the localization, and you will have your blue point. So if you are during the race somewhere close to the track, you can see your position and see where are all the participants as well on the platform. Our live tracking platform is accessible on all types of devices, I mean on your mobile phone, on your computer, on tablets, so feel free to go and visit us if you need. Thank you.